Hello class, this is a video tutorial on finding the center of enlargement and the enlargement factor. So in this video we're going to look at two things. We're going to find the center of enlargement and then find the enlargement factor. Just as a comparison, in the previous lesson we would have seen how we were given a point and a shape, and our task was to enlarge this shape into the new shape using the point and some factor k to multiply the distances of the original shape. In this one we're going to look at the opposite way. Now that we've been given the original shape, what it's been enlarged to, we are now tasked to find the point where it was enlarged from and how much it has been enlarged by. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So this is example 1. Make sure you take a close read there. With example 1, well, with any of these enlargement questions, the best way we can do it is by aligning the points and drawing some line straight from where its new point is. You know it's the new point because it has the A dash. That A dash, we're going to join a line, a straight line to its original shape and just keep on going. It doesn't matter how far it goes, we're just going to go as far as it lets us. And then we're going to do this method for all the points. So we're going to take B dash, line it up here, and line up the original B to where, so from B dash to B, and we're going to draw a straight line going from here through B, the original point. We can already see a point forming, but let's test to make sure that all 3 points meet at that point there. So far we have C dash, we're going to line it up with the original point C. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. There we are. We're going to go from this point, C dash, we're going to draw in a straight line going towards that point there. As you can see, all 3 points, when we drawing the lines, is going to this point here. And let's call that point O for the, I don't know, point of enlargement. Now our next task is to calculate how much it has been enlarged by. Yeah? So in order to do that, we start measuring. Okay, let's measure the distance from the point O to A. That is 2 points. So I'm going to label this as OA equals 2. Now if you take a look, OA dash, we want to find the distance of that OA dash. Let's count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. OA dash is 6. Okay. To calculate the enlargement factor, we take the new point OA dash. Let me summarize it here. We take the new and we divide it by the original. And in this case, it went from 6, because the new point from O to OA dash is 6 distance, is a distance of 6. And we're going to divide that by the original, which was a distance of 2. 6 over 2, well, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our enlargement factor is 3. You can test this out using all the points. So for example, you can count the distance from O to B here, and then from O to B dash here. And if you do that, you know what, we'll do it in this one just so you can see more examples of this. Let's count the distance from O to B here. Here we go. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 across here. So OB, the original one, from here to here is 4. That's the original. And the new one, let's count it. I'm going to draw a straight line down the middle to make sure we are counting correctly. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So OB dash is 12. So let's now calculate this. Let's take the new, which was 12 OB dash, divided by the original OB, which is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our enlargement factor is K equals 3. Okay. Let's do one more example. Here we are. Let's find the point of enlargement, the center of enlargement first, and then we'll calculate the enlargement factor. As we did in the previous example, we're going to just take the new point, A dash, line it up with the original point, like so. And we're going to join a line and extend it until it hits a point somewhere in the middle. You can probably already see where it's going to be, but we'll just keep on going. Let's take the new point, B dash, line it up with the original, like so. There we are. We're going to draw a line from the new point through the original and keep going. We can see a point already forming here. You can double check. Doing this twice is enough, but you can sort of see that all of them are definitely going to go through this point. See? If I do it one more time, there we are. They're all going through this point. Let's label this point O. Okay, so now let's calculate the enlargement factor. So it went from, let's just calculate this line along here. That's from O to A. So O to A. From here to there. Well, that is a distance, just along this perpendicular, is 1. And if we go from O to A dash, counting down to this point, that's 1, 2. Now remember, it's the new distance divided by the original. Right? And that is 2 divided by 1, which is just 2. So our enlargement factor here is K equals 2. Alright, that's the end for these two examples. Hopefully you're starting to see how this is done, and I'll see you in the next example video.